Hi everyone, welcome to Traderstraining Academy. So what a fantastic rally today. Nifty opened gap up nearly 200 points. So ended up with 2%. And the bank Nifty also ended up with 3.5%. Of course, the Nifty is a long build up and bank Nifty is a short covering. We'll go for the open interest sector. In the December 7 series, the coming week series, the highest put open interest in 20,500, highest call open interest in 20,800. In December series, the highest open interest in 20,000, highest call open interest in 21,000. Anyway, after this rally, maybe the Adani groups is very good profitable stocks today, and the other Eicher Motors, Ambuja Cement. So all are is long build up stocks. So tomorrow with the Fin Nifty expiry is there. And of course we can go for the 20,500 is a support and 20,800 is a resistance is there.